Ancient India. Ancient India. And what about history? कलर सही लगता नहीं है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ रेड ले लूँ। चलो ठीक है। एंशिएंट इंडिया में हम लोग देखेंगे कि व्हाट अबाउट हिस्ट्री। हिस्ट्री in different time period. What about history? In different time period, or ages, in different time period or ages, we have to comparative study about 4 areas: political, social, economic and cultural. 4 areas. In any time period or ages, there are 4 areas: political, social, economic and cultural areas. 4 ही एरिया होते ही। अगर हम जोग्राफिकल भी कहें और ये कहें कि इंडिया सराउंडेड बाय Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. This geographical region is politically called India. This geographical region politically called India. So definitely, basically 4 areas in any time period or any ages or in any system. Definitely we have 4 areas: political, social, economic and cultural areas. And इसमें हम पढ़ते क्या हैं? regarding development, changes and continuity. यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा हम एम्फेसाइज कर देते हैं। कंपैरेटिव स्टडी इज कॉल्ड हिस्ट्री। In different time period or ages, we have to comparative study about 4 areas: political, social, economic and cultural areas, regarding what? Development, changes and continuity is called history. अब जब हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे तो आपको एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, देखो कि पॉलिटिकल एरिया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव चूजन पॉलिटिकल एरिया and we have chosen 2 time period: ancient age and modern age. In political area, in ancient age, almost monarchical system was going on. In ancient age, and now in the modern age we are enjoying democracy. So after comparative study in different time period, we found the example of changes monarchical to democracy, राजतंत्र to लोकतंत्र, monarchical to democracy in different time period. Political area में हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं। And now the turn for social, but social को हम बाद में देखते हैं, पहले देखते हैं कि इकोनॉमिक एरिया में देखो कि we have chosen 2 time period: Vedic period and Maurya period. Vedic period. In the Vedic period, barter system was going on. In the Vedic period, in the economic area, barter system was going on. And when we will actually compare with Maurya age, definitely in the Maurya age we found established currency system. I mean to say barter system to currency system. Do you know about barter system? Commodity exchange system, goods exchange system. तुमको राइस दिया, तुमसे व्हीट लिया, तुमको मिल्क दिया, तुमसे ऑयल लिया, है ना? So the barter system was going on in the Vedic period. Vedic period. And in the Maurya period, we found the absolute example of proper currency system. Even we found the evidences of appointment of authority, special authority to control currency system, that was Lakshana Adhyaksh. So definitely what? Definitely barter system to currency system. It is the example of economic development. So we found the example of development. And now the turn for cultural area. In the cultural area, we have chosen two time period. Vedic period is divided in two parts, early Vedic and latter Vedic, है ना? पढ़ा होगा ना? Early Vedic and latter Vedic. In the early Vedic age, only one type of marriage was going on. Marriage is very important part of our culture. Definitely हम लोग जो है बात कर रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं वैसे, बट वी हैव चूजन marriage is a very important part of our culture. And in the early Vedic age, only one type of marriage system that was going on, that was Brahma Vivah. Brahma Vivah was very popular in early Vedic age. But in the latter Vedic age or after latter Vedic age, we found the example of 8 type of marriages. 8 type of marriages that were Brahma Vivah, Dev Vivah, Ars Vivah, Prajapati Vivah, Gandharva Vivah, Asur Vivah, Rakshas Vivah, Pisach Vivah. 8 type of marriages. So we again found the example of changes. Brahma Vivah to 8 type of marriages. So definitely again the example of changes. Now we are looking for the example of continuity. After comparative study, we are looking for the example of continuity. And we have to discuss social area. In social area, we have chosen women condition, very, very hot topic, and always in every time period. Women condition. What about the women? What about the women condition? So in the early Vedic age, women condition was so good. In the early Vedic age, women condition was so good because the women were having educational rights, socio-religious rights, political rights as well as. How we can say they were having educational rights? The women were having educational rights. कैसे कह सकते हैं कि उनके पास educational rights थे? Because we have lots of examples of female scholars like Vishwara, Apala, Lopa, Mudra, Ghosha. So many female scholars we found in the early Vedic age, even the women were, I mean to say, the women were participating in Sabha and Samiti. Women were participating in Sabha and Samiti. It means they were also having, the women were also having political rights. Am I right? And they were participating in every social and religious activities or cultural activities. Without the participation of women or wife, none of the religious activities could be or would be considered committed or completed. जब तक रिलीजियस वर्शिप में वो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करती थी वाइफ, तब तक वो वर्शिप कंप्लीट नहीं माना जाता. It means the women were also having cultural importance, religious importance. So the women condition was so good. Even the women were, or wife is called Jai Destam, wife is life, or Ardhangini, better half. So women condition was so good in the early Vedic age. But in the latter Vedic age, the women condition has started declining.